Oh, hi. Hello?
Hello?
Hi. Hello? Hello?
Yes, hello. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat.
What's that? Magandang umaga, Teacher Diana.
Magandang umaga sa inyo. Let's wait for your classmate. Hintayin muna natin ang inyong mga classmate.
Okay?
Okay. Ngayon tayong lahat ay mag-Tatagalog.
Hey, Teacher Diana. Where's the bata? Bata.
Okay. Nandito na ba ang lahat? Tingnan natin. Sinong wala pa dito? Pyron, Steph, Pyron, Andre, Sophia, Sean, Rizel, Sandra, Liza, Princess, Ninya, Adrian, Aldez, at Zachary. Wala pa si Aldez at si Zachary.
Abigail, Natalia. Where's
Abigail.
Natalia. Natalia, teacher. I think they're playing.
Absent si Natalia ngayon.
Ay, Teddy bear.
Okay. Nasaan kaya sila? Where are they? Johan, Aldez. Oh, here you are, Zachary. Aldez is not yet here.
I think they're playing Roblox. Abigail.
Okay, so let's start. Yes, Zach?
You sure you know every time it's class time, you know what? And I call them because they are late. That's why I don't remind them. Hey, it's class time. Class time. What? Who's saying that way? That's why I keep on calling them. Stop playing. Class time.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, I wanted to something tell you, Teacher Liana. Can you just make the time like this? Lunchtime, snack, and end like the one like our old class. Like that, Teacher Liana?
What do you mean?
No, but what?
Okay, so let's start now. We cannot wait for them that long. All right, so listen up. Today, our topic is about kasing kahulugan at kasalungat. For us to know more, let's go over.
I know this one.
Ngayong araw ay aalamin natin ang tungkol sa magkasing kahulugan at magkasalungat.
Teacher, I know this one. This is in my tutor. It was like, it is synonym and antonym.
Exactly. It is. In English, it's synonym and antonym. Okay? So, alam nyo ba ang ibig sabihin ng magkasing kahulugan at magkasalungat? In English, it is synonym and antonym. Ano ang ugali at katangian mo na katulad sa iyong kapatid? Okay, before we know about the magkasing kahulugan at magkasalungat, we will read a short story first. Alright?
Teacher.
Yes?
This is like, I already, this is like when you like the synonym and antonym is just like where you do the words and it's the same and not the same. The antonym is not the same with the words and the synonym is the same with the word.
Exactly. Okay? Oy, tayong lahat ay dapat magtagalog. Ngayon ay sasagutin natin ang mga katanungan. Unang katanungan, ano ang katangian o ugali mo na katulad sa iyong kapatid? What behavior do you have in common with your sister or your brother? Do you guys have the same common in personality? If you don't have sister, you can compare your personality to your mom or to your dad, like that. Okay, what are those? A hyper. Okay, so your mom is a hyper, and so are you. How about the rest? How about Alessandra?
Teacher, I'm just hyper, but my mom is this, and I will just keep on like. I keep messing around.
That's see.
Why I'm hyper.
Eliza is laughing. How about Alessandra? Alessandra? What personality do you have in common with your mom or your dad?
Oh, mommy say hyper. I'm just no, mute.
Huh? We cannot hear you, Alessandra.
Joker.
Huh?
My mama joke.
Joker. How about Eliza? Eliza.
Teacher. Teacher, mine is hyper and annoying.
Eliza, what similarity do you have with your mom or your dad?
Extremely wise.
Huh?
Annoying, definitely. Annoying. Definitely annoying. Annoying, definitely.
Oh, she just froze. How about Rizel?
Teacher, mine is annoying and Teacher, my dad is actually...
Okay, please wait for a moment. Still asking Rizel. Yes, Rizel?
Wi-Fi is slow. I disconnect from the Zoom.
Huh? The internet is slow?
Yes.
I guess all of you... I guess there's really something wrong with the internet for now. How about Sean? Sean, what personality do you have in common with your mom?
It's like she easily get mad.
She easily get mad, and also you easily get mad too. How about Seth?
Like my mom.
Seth, she get mad too.
I usually get mad if somebody bullies me like that. I usually get mad immediately.
Oh, okay. How about Andre?
I don't get mad easily, teacher, because
Andre?
the teacher I daddy.
Huh?
Like my daddy,
Yes, what is it? What personality do you have in common with your dad?
Mommy teacher would say, and I want to sleep, I sleep. What's my daddy? I like cold too. I like cold.
Oh, I see. Cold. Okay. Anyways. Okay, so let's continue now. Another question that we have. What differences do you have with your mom or your sister?
Teacher.
Yes?
My mom. Why is it that every time?
Yes, Sophia, what is it?
Every time like age.
Age. Yes, Alessandra.
I like cold. Listen to your teacher.
How about Eliza?
My kuya is in I'm
Yes, Eliza?
What teacher?
What differences do you have with your mom?
Doing stuff.
What? Okay, so it seems like there's through the internet. Anyways, let's just continue now. All right, so today we're going to read a story about Jack and Jill. Today we're going to discover the differences between Jack and Jill. Right?
Jack and Jill.
Let's read the story about them.
Jack and Jill.
Sina Jack at Jill ay kambal, ngunit lagi silang magkaiba sa damdamin at gawain. Jack and Jill are twins, but they still have differences in terms of feelings and works. It's like the twins, Dayland and Nathan. Okay. Si Juan at Juana ay kambal rin, ngunit magkapareho sila sa damdamin at gawain. So, this is Juan and Juana. They are also twins, but they have the same likes, feelings, and works to do. Kung ano ang nais na gawin ni Juan, ganun din ang gusto ni Juana. Kung malakas ang boses ni Jack, mahina naman ang kay Jill. What Juan wants to do is what Juana wants to do. But if the voice of Jack is too loud, the voice of Jill is too low. Si Juan ay matangkad at si Juana ay mataas rin. Juan is tall and so as Juana. Si Jack ay mataas, ngunit si Jill ay maliit. Jack is tall, but Jill is short.
Small.
Short.
Or small.
Or small. Isang araw, naglaro ang dalawang pares ng kambal. Nanalo sa paligsahan sina Juan at Juana. One day, both twins played together. Juan, Juana, and also Jack and Jill. Juan and Juana won the race, the game. Malungkot si Jill, ngunit maligaya pa rin si Jack. Jill was sad, but Jack is happy. Sa kabila ng pagkatalo, kinamayan pa rin nila Jack at Jill sina Juan at Juana. Despite of being loose, they still handshake with Juan and Juana. Si Juan naman ay tuwang-tuwa at si Juana ay masayang-masaya rin. Juan and Juana are both happy. Maya-maya ay tinawag na sila ng kanilang magulang. Later that day, their parents called them. So this time, we are going to describe the differences between Jack and Jill and also Juan and Juana. So, here, you have Juan and Juana. So, are there any differences between Juan and Juana?
Yes. Juana is tall and Juana is small. And this one...
What? No. In the story, basing in the story, are there any differences between Juan and Juana?
Juan is tall. Juana is happy. Juana is sad. Juana is happy.
Allah, Juana is sad and Juan is happy? I don't think so.
Juana is a girl. Juana is a boy. Short.
Okay. No, I don't think so. It's what you can see here. Juan at Juana are twins. But they have the same, magkapareho is same. They have the same feelings and works. Okay? Gawain at damdamin. Damdamin is feelings and gawain is work. Alright? So magkapareho, magkapareho means the same. They have the same feelings and works. Okay? So, are there any differences between Juan and Juana?
Yes.
No. No differences between them. Yes, only Jack and Jill. So what are the similarities that Juan and Juana have? What do they have in common for Juan and Juana? They have the same word. Okay, so let's have it here. They have kapareho sa damdamin. What else?
Same height.
Work.
Magkapareho sa height. Diba?
Yes.
They have the same height. Magkapareho ng taas. Okay, what else? Magkapareho
Same work. Same work. Work. Same work. Same work.
gawain.
It's done.
Right? Okay. Magkapareho ng gawain. So these are the similarities that Juan and Juana have. Okay, how about Jack and Jill?
Jack is taller. Jill is small. Tall and short.
What are the differences between Jack and Jill? So Jack is si Jack. Okay, si Jack ay
Mataas.
at si Jill ay
Maliit.
Maliit.
maliit. Okay. Mataas or matangkad? Same. Okay, how about, what else do they have? Differences do they have?
When Jack is happy, Jill is sad.
Si Jack ay masaya at si Jill ay
When Jack's voice is loud,
malungkot. What else?
When Jack
Jack ay may
Loud.
malakas na boses. Si Jill ay may mahinang boses. Okay? What else?
Done.
Is that all?
Yes.
Magkaiba rin sila ng
work,
gawain or work. They have different works. Or hobbies that they like doing. Okay. So as what you can see, Jack and Jill shows the differences, while Juan at Juana shows
the same.
Same or similarity. Okay.
Open this, mommy.
Wait first. Let me just close something here. Can you still see me?
yes.
How about the screen?
Yes.
Wow. Wait, let me just take a picture of it. Something is happening in my screen right now.
I see one.
Black teacher.
Green.
That's normal.
It just became dark. And there was like blue on it.